Hi everyone, this is Carolynne from NonnasNuttykrafts, and I thought I'd pop on and do a really fun craft that you can do with your kids, grandkids, whoever, or for yourself, sell at a craft show. Really easy to do. Now, in this, what I'm going to show you here, let me move these out of the way first. I'm going to show you a little bit about the supplies, okay? So you're not going to see me as much because I have you facing down on the table because I'm using my phone. But I wanted you to see closer because I don't have my computer. You know, it happens. So let me angle you this way and down. All right. So bead pens come like this. I'm going to see if this light will help. I don't know if it will or not. It may cast a big shadow, but we'll see. They come like this. And to use the pen, you just turn it and the tip pops out, goes away, right? To refill these, you just unscrew it, if I can, because I pick one. Oops. Down here, it has a little spring. And there's a little doohickey. Now you can buy regular size ones and cut them down. You can get those at your local store with a, like Staples and stuff like that. So let me put it back in. Let me take this part out. And let me put that back in there. Get back in there, Mr. Pen. There we go. Put the spring back in there. And put the tip back on. Now, this part here, it could screw in here to do it. You can leave it in here, and you can just unscrew the top. It doesn't matter which way you want to do it, okay? I'm going to screw this one back together. All right, so you have your pen. Now, supplies. What you can do, now I ordered off of Amazon, and I will tell you, hello, everybody, come on in. Hey, like, follow, share. You know those lovely words we like to say. You can buy a kit, and it comes with, now there's all various kits that you can buy. I don't think this light is helping too much. No, it's better with it off. This has, 3, 6, 9, 10, 14, 15 pens come in a package like this. It gives you beads of various sizes, spacers, little charms, for whatever you're doing. It also gives you little bags. So when you finish your product, and if you're selling these or giving them as gifts, you can go ahead and put it in the bag. Now, the only drawback that I have found, and I know that's really loud, is that they don't give you enough beads when you buy these packets. So again, you can go online. I went over to Michael's and I found some beads like this. And this was over, like I say, in the kids section, not where all the jewelry is. Now you can go in the jewelry section and find them as well. But if it doesn't work, if the hole isn't big enough, to slide down in the pen, you can't return it. Not that I would return these either. So I found a variety of different types. These are word beads. So one side it may say celebrate and the other side says destiny or something. So there's long words, short words and stuff. So I thought that was kind of cute too. So in this packet here that I just received today, it is all Christmas. So I just did this one up really quick with some beads, and I have, candy canes on it. So that's off to the side for now. So they make great Christmas gifts, but I thought I'd create some with you. Now, I've already created a whole bunch here already. This one I did like a unicorn. I put one of those words on it, and it says sweet on one side and laugh on the other, and it has a little unicorn charm on it. This one has a lipstick charm, and it says kiss and dream. Some it's just all beads. This is like a flamingo on here. This one has, what is this one? This one says love. So you can do them in a variety of colors. You can stay within the same. You can mix different colors in there. And they make great teacher's gifts or birthday gifts or whatever, or to keep for yourself, people in the office. And it's not very, you know, expensive to do. So we're going to put these aside and we're going to create some. So I've already went through and I've selected the beads, oops, get out of the way, pens, that I wanted to do for this one. This one's a black one. So I got one of these really big ones to go on the bottom. And I have a little paw print. I don't know if you could see that. It's red and black paws. Now, this is really going to be hard to see. It's a spacer. It's like little diamonds kind of like on it, if you want to call it that, jewels. Then I have another black bead, and this is one of the beads from Michael's. And I have a black cat to put on top. And then you just twist it close. And voila, it is done. However, I twisted it a little bit too tight there, so my pen came out, so I just twist it back and the pen goes away. So here's another one. This is kind of like a purple. It's in that purple family. So again, I'm putting the bead on. These are like kind of spacers. You can see the holes are a little bit bigger, but they're like spacers too. And then I have another bead and a spacer. Another bead. And then this one I have a little crown to go on it, a little charm. Now the charms you can find at Michael's, they have lots of charms you can get. So that may be something if you wanted to go there, if you want to get it. And I'm sure Hobby Lobby has, you know, stuff like this, the beads as well. So let's make one more. There's that one. It's kind of like a little iridescent thing going here. And this one I did as little, I put purple paws on this one. I have, oh, I think that goes, yeah, it goes this way. There's another little spacer. I have a bead, if I can find the hole. That's why I have my other light over here, because there we go. And then I put this one. And then this one up top, I have one of these charms, never give up. So see, it's just a little charm like that. And you can create what you want. Now, if you're doing these at craft shows and you have a lot of beads, you may want to have the beads and things, and people can actually create these for themselves. But these are just some ones, like I said, that I made, and they're really easy to do. It's really easy. It's fun. You can do it, like I said, with your grandkids or kids. You know, we have another one. This one says Dad on one side and Mom on the other, and I have a little smiley face charm on that one. Or this one has a whale's tail on it. This one has an anchor. This one has a whale. I put on this one. It has lips on it. This I did snowflakes, like a variety of light shades of blue in there. And this actually is different shades of blue in here. It has a snowflake. I think I did the mom dad with the starfish. We did the lipstick, the flamingo, the heart. This is a unicorn. This says sweet and laugh. I think I said that one already. We just did the cat and that one. So look how easy that was. Really quick and easy to do. And they make nice gifts. You just stick them in the little bags. Got to open the bag first. Come on, bag. And voila, you have a nice little gift for somebody. Perfect, perfect. And I like this. I thought this was really kind of cool, easy to do. Yeah, the beads and the pens could be on the, you know, you can order the pens separately, the beads. And like I said, you know, go online, whether it's Amazon, Temu, or wherever you want to get the beads from, and you can do it. You can find some beads in Michael's like I did. But again, if you go in the jewelry section and you open it and it doesn't work, you can't return it at Michael's. So I thought they were cute little things to do. So, hey cat, hey. So that's my quick little thing for today, my little live. And I want to show you who is here, so you know she's actually here with me today. There she is. There's my Gia. She decided to come in all by herself today for the first time. Usually I have to carry her in or she stands by the door sometimes. But she came in today, so yay. So anyway, so I hope you liked our little charm pens today and gives you something to do with your kids or sell at a craft show. All right? Y'all take care and thanks for coming in Nonnas Nutty Crafts.